Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add an image on a page on System.io. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log in to your System.io account. After successfully logging in, head over to the website section. Hover your cursor over the Sites tab and from the drop-down menu, select Sales Funnels. Once inside the sales funnel, simply click on your website. Next, click on Edit Page button next to your site and you will be taken to Sales Funnel Editor. Here you'll notice a panel on the left side of the screen that contains all the elements you can add to your page. Now look for the image element in that panel. So all you need to do is drag the image element and drop it in the exact spot where you want it to appear on your page. Once the image element is in place, it's time to upload your image. Click on the Settings button that appears next to the image area. Among these options, find the cloud-shaped Upload button. Click it to open your File Explorer and browse through your computer to select the image you want to use. Once you've selected the image file, click Open and then hit Insert to add it directly onto your page. Your chosen image will now appear right where you placed the element, allowing you to preview how it fits with your page design. And that's it. So that is how you can add an image on a page on System.io. So that's all for this video. Thanks.